So we have a model EC Highpointe. The light is not turning off when it is plugged in. It is constantly rotating. Remove screws. Move the screws first, and then the power goes in. Disconnected. Slides right out, and then you have the cover here. Take off the screws, pretty common sense. Once the lid comes off, you have some micro switches. Let's see. So these micro switches here is what's causing it not to make the light not turn off, and it's constantly spinning. So you can get a voltmeter, put it on continuity. Let's see if I can get my multimeter. Multimeter, put on this setting here, continuity tester. Sorry for the non-professionalness. Put on continuity, it'll beep, right? So what I've come to conclusion is the very bottom one, where it says common C1 and normally open and C2. So the bottom one here is plugged in already. This one here, just I pulled that one off with some like little needle nose. Anyways, so I put one here, put one leg here, one leg here. So I'm not getting no beeping noise. So that's why it's continuously spinning. So once I get my little screwdriver, needle, put this guy here. Let's see. Once I put this guy here and I push down, you can hear it click. So push down, it's beeping, which means that micro switch is good. So gotta figure out how to hear that click. You gotta figure out how to make this go down when the door opens. Door opens, closes, should click and make this other micro switch in the bottom close. So that's where we're at with that. So that's the problem. Just gotta figure out how to make that fix itself. So I'll probably record a video to see what I did. Alright.